Yo, don't scroll, America! These dogs wake you up harder than a 6 a.m. alarm on a Monday. No coffee, no snooze button, no PTO, no respect. If your dog ever ruined your sleep schedule, hit like and smash subscribe right now.
And his name is John C.
Took the best nap. Hello.
Alright, be honest. Who needs an alarm when your dog got places to pee? Comment no snooze if this felt personal. Subscribe for more chaos, cuteness, and dog logic.